Okay, so the thing about manual transmissions is that to start them, right, you've got 3 pedals down here, right? You have your gas, you have your brake, and you have a thing called a clutch, which just lets you like engage and disengage your transmission, right? So to make sure that you're not in gear and you're not going to mess anything up when you turn the key on, it forces you to have the clutch pedal in, right? So my problem is that, I'm turning it on and I was like, oh god, nothing is working, right? This is totally not happening. So just bought the car and it's like, oh no. So, looking up into things that could possibly be wrong with it, and it's like, okay, well, check your starter, obviously, all the things underneath the hood. And it's like, well, just make sure that your clutch is engaging, or like you're engaging your clutch. It's like, well, I am, but it's like, well, make sure that the switch is being engaged. And it turns out that underneath here, to make sure that you're actually engaging everything, there's a little piece right here. By the way, I'm in Tempe Marketplace still, so this isn't like, I'm literally doing this on the fly. There's a little piece right here, that's supposed to engage with this switch. And when you push it down, it doesn't engage with the switch. But if you push this, you just push it, and then here, I'll flip this up right here, and then you turn the key, the car turns on! Which is really stressful if you don't know that. But it's okay, because I know that now. So it's all good. It's all good.